Okay, this is a little slant fin Sentinel boiler. This is 105,000. Because it's in a garage, I put it up on a little shelf. You can see where I built a little shelf for it, put a concrete pad on top of it, and then set the boiler up on that pad. So this system is a two-zone system. One zone is for the second floor of this carriage house. It's got cast iron radiators up there. And then on the main level, or I mean in the garage, they have a little fan coil unit heater. So this boiler is set up with primary, secondary pumping. You can see the green pump in the background. That's the pump that comes with the boiler. And it's the boiler loop or primary loop. And then here is a little Grundfos pump. It goes up and splits off into the two zones up there. Here's the return coming it down into two zone valves and then ties back into the primary loop. Little expansion tank hanging from the wall back there. Here's a little Taco zone valve control. And back here you'll see, let me get some light. We like to come out of our boilers back here. Get down here. We come out of these boilers, we put a long enough nipple where we can strap on an aquastat for a secondary high limit. And then it goes directly up into, Honeywell makes a universal air vent where we can come right up into the bottom out of the boiler and then out the side into this pump, and then out the back I bush down and that's where I put my fill valve, my T for my expansion tank, and then it goes on up here to the water shutoff. So I like those universal air vents. There's a better shot at it. Honeywell makes those. Okay, so we use the heck out of these boilers. They're just real workhorses. We like them. Slant fin is in the process of being sold, so we don't know what's going to happen after that. Who's going to take over and what kind of changes they're going to have. But there you go. Nice little slant fin cast iron boiler install. There you go.